Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Eddie with the Credit Hype, and today we're going to talk about how to start a credit repair business from scratch. So let's get it started here. Before I continue, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be creating a bunch of content related to credit repair, and how to get more credit repair clients for your business. So for a lot of people that are going to be asking me, I did make a recent video about a few months ago regarding the same video of how to start a credit repair business and make $3,000 per month, because that's technically what we were making with our company. So if you guys want to check that video, I'm going to leave the link here above so you guys can watch that as well. But this is going to be more related to information on how to get your first client, just the basic information of, setting up your business procedures, such as like your license, your bonds, and all that. So you guys can definitely go ahead and check out the time codes is below if you want to just skip to a certain part. So let's go and get started, and ask me any questions in the comment section below, because I love to help you guys, understand the process and how easy it can be to really start a credit repair company. All right, so for the first step, when you're gonna get your credit repair business up and running, you're actually gonna want to make sure that you understand the laws such as CROA and as well as the FCRA. Now, again, I did speak about this in my first video and other videos that I have, but those are laws that are going to help basically make or break your company. So you want to make sure that you understand every little detail about these two regulations. Now, once you understand the laws, you're also going to want to at least get some kind of credit repair training. And a lot of the times I do recommend Credit Repair Cloud's Credit Hero Challenge, because it's basically teaches you how to audit and read credit reports, how to dispute, how to get all the correct information on a credit report off. And you want to make sure that you understand everything that goes along with your customer journey when it comes to credit repair. Now, once you understand how to fix people's credit, you understand the FCRA and CROA, you're going to want to go ahead and start getting at least free clients while you're setting up your business. So when you're getting free clients, this basically means you're going to help get test clients, get them results, so you can use that as testimonials for your clients that you're going to be marketing to. Because a lot of the times, credit repair is a very high risk industry, and most people aren't going to really trust you because they either got scammed by a credit repair company before, or they just don't understand how it works. Now, you want to be the authority, you want to change their mindset with results, testimonials, and confidence. So that's the next thing that I'm going to tell you to do. So how do you get those free clients? I recommend that you go to your Facebook or your Instagram, and then create a story or a post saying that you're willing to help people fix their credit for free for the first 5 to 7 people. And I promise you guys, it's not embarrassing. This is a business that you're going to run. And if you're embarrassed of your business, then you shouldn't be in this space at all. And it's hard to say, but it's really important that you need to take this very serious. So when you post that, I promise you guys that you're going to get some kind of result, and someone's going to hit you back up and asking for your services. So that's going to be that next step in your credit repair process when starting out from scratch. Okay, so the next step after you get your first free test clients, you're going to want to go ahead and make sure that you start getting bonded and licensed in your state. So depending on where you live and what state you are from and where you be working from, there's going to be different rules to make sure that you're legally prepared for your company. So for California, where we're from, it was actually probably one of the most expensive places to start and register a business, because I know in other states you might have to pay like $100 to $200 for a bond. Well, me and my partner, we ended up paying almost $2,000 for ours, and getting registered, and our franchise fee was about $600. So that did kind of suck, and it did step us back a little bit, but we went all in knowing that we were going to make this credit repair company work. So depending on your state, you're going to want to make sure that you understand the state laws where you work from. And a lot of the times people also ask this question: if I live in California, can I work in other states without being bonded? And I guess I'm not an attorney or a lawyer or professional, but I'd recommend that you get bonded in every state that you work in. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below of the state laws for credit repair to see exactly what you need to do. So again, we went over step one is getting your first free clients, and then this step two is making sure that you start getting bonded and licensed for in your state. And this is as long as that you're actually getting, your credit repair business up and running as a, LLC or a DBA or an S corp. So that all depends on your state, and I recommend that you speak to an attorney or a lawyer for that. So now that you're getting that up and running, this took us about a month and a half to get our business bank, to get bonded, licensed, and our LLC documented and registered. That took us about 6 to 7 weeks, and we were excited because we had a business account. We were, completely official, and we were so happy. So after that, we ended up getting our results back for our test clients. And I'm going to try to see if I can get some of the results here and here so you guys can see some of our results for our test clients. And at that point, we started getting flooded with messages, DMs, and Facebook private messages because we started posting our results in our stories, our Facebook feeds, and we didn't care or felt embarrassed about our company because we were truly trying to help people. We wanted to make sure that people trusted us with our results. So we provided testimonials, and we informed our free test clients that if we were going to work on them for free, they needed to at least provide us with an honest video testimonial. So that really helped us out with our company. And so after that, we started getting about 10 to 15 clients in the first month after we got insured. So that was about 2 months in our company. We started, rolling in some clients, and we were really excited about that. So that's the next step. Use your testimonials and your results that you receive for your free clients and start marketing to new people via Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, whatever works. So that's going to be the next step in your process. So now you're getting clients coming in. You're probably in your 3rd to 4th month, maybe even 5th, with about 10 to 15 clients. Actually, I didn't speak about this, but for pricing, you guys want to make sure that you do pricing depending on the services that you're going to provide. So at first, we were, to be honest, a little nervous. So our first 10 clients, we charged $79.99 a month, even with the first fee. And remember that with credit repair, you cannot charge upfront. So we would charge, after the client signed the contract, we would give them 5 days to cancel. And then once we sent out the first round letters, they were automatically charged through Credit Repair Cloud. So that was already set up automatically, and the billing was set up automatically. So that was a great reason why we had Credit Repair software. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is making sure that you guys have a good system in place. So meaning that you're going to want to have Credit Repair software that automates and delegates 80% of the work. Because honestly, guys, this business can take a long time with filling out paperwork, sending out letters, speaking to clients, getting their reviewing their credit reports, auditing them, making sure that the consultation call goes right. So when you have a credit repair software, then at that point you guys can mostly automate 80% of the process. We use Credit Repair Cloud, and for my subscribers that watch me, you guys already know that I'm a huge fan of CRC, and I've been using them for over a year and a half. So I recommend that you guys check them out below. I have my affiliate links. So full disclosure, I am an affiliate for the company, and I also do credit repair with the software. So it's a great win for everybody, because I honestly do genuinely care about the company, and I care about my clients, and I care about you guys as subscribers. So you guys can do a 30-day free trial with Credit Repair Cloud to make sure that it's right for you. Send out letters, fix your own credit if you have bad credit. And that's going to be the next step, like I said, fixing people's credit with Credit Repair software, automating the business. You're 2 to 3 months in, 4 months, you're getting clients. And then you can start automating your company, even possibly hire someone to help you with disputes. And that'll be basically the next step in the process. Now, I guess to say the last step in this process of starting a credit repair company from scratch is that you want to make sure that you start marketing. So you're going to want to get affiliates, meaning that you don't hire, but you partner with people such as loan officers, realtors, B2B companies, anything that has to do with credit repair and having good credit applicants. So once you start doing that, I recommend that you guys go on Instagram, Facebook, and even LinkedIn to start partnering with people and networking. Because if you can get at least 5 to 10 uh, individuals that work in that space, you can expect at least to get 2 to 3 clients from each person. So if you times that, you could be expecting about 30 to 40 leads a month and closing about 30% of that. So you could be expecting about maybe 5 to 10 around that number of clients that you could potentially close. And that's a good way of getting free advertisement for your company. So I'd recommend that you start getting affiliates. You start promoting your company just keep promoting on your Facebook, Instagram, and any other social medias that you have, friends and family, referrals, and just make sure that you stay true to yourself and your business, because as you grow, you're going to start automating and delegating and understanding how a company works. And that's what happened to us. We try to stay humble. We try to keeping our pricing the same, because the end goal is to help people and make money doing that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of starting a credit repair company. Please ask any questions below that you guys have any concerns about. I'd be more than happy to make another video on that or answer them in the comment section below. So don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. All right, guys. See you guys on the next video.